Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI MatePad Pro, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application, and then you'll see here Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi we should use this switcher. Just click here to activate Wi-Fi, and after that we can select one from these available networks. For example, let's use this one. Here we should enter the password. If you wanna see the password, we should click here on this eyes icon. I'll enter it out of screen. So now let's just okay. Now just we should click here to connect. We can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you wanna just turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here on this Wi-Fi switcher once again. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first we should open the control panel here, and to activate Wi-Fi we should click on this just icon. Just to launch the settings we should hold the Wi-Fi icon on the control panel, and just to turn it off we should click here on the Wi-Fi icon once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.